It's not bad. It's usually like a tradition for that. So he had that happen to him, and he decided he wanted to go out specifically for his 22nd birthday. I can wait.
Just right there.
With a laser. You see a laser anywhere?
No.
Yeah. I see it turning green up there.
Send me a pen, please. Send me a pen.